Hi Caroline, here's a super quick video on how to make the front yoke pattern for the scrubs top. So make this on paper first, but you can draw all the other pieces straight onto the fabric. So you start with a rectangle according to the dimensions in the pattern. Then you measure from here in for the neck measurement. Then from here down you measure 18 centimetres. Then you get a ruler and connect those all the way down and go across like that. Then rub this out on your paper and keep a notch here because that's the centre front. So here's a miniature version of the paper pattern that you have. And then when you go to mark it on the fabric, mark out one like this, and then top and tail it, mark the other one like this, and then that gives you two front yokes, except that they're two fronts the same, not a pair. So you either need to use fabric where both sides are the same and you can flip one over, or use or else cut out two scrubs and then pair the fabric when you cut this out. Okay, I hope this helps. See ya!